Hello students, in our previous video we have completed simple present tense and present continuous tense. Today I am going to start present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Helping verbs which are used with present perfect tense has and have. Main verb, verb's third form. Verb's third form is used as a main verb in present perfect tense. Has is used with third person singular. Has is used with third person singular subject he, she and it. Have is used with first person I and we, second person you and third person they. Now how we make sentences? Affirmative sentences. How we make affirmative sentences? The pattern is this. Subject plus has or have. Helping verb plus verb's third form plus object etc. Dash 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 full stop. Dash 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 means whatever comes after object right here. Example is they have purchased books. They have purchased books. There is a subject, have is a helping verb, purchase is a verb's third form, books is a object. They, there is a third person plural subject. So what helping verb we use here? We use here have. We have, they have purchased books. He has taken lunch. He is a subject, has is a helping verb, taken is a verb's third form, lunch is a object. He is a third person singular. So what helping verb we use here? We use here has. He has taken lunch. Negative sentences. Look students, how we make negative sentences. Subject plus has or have verb. Helping verbs plus not plus verb's third form plus object. My mother has not cooked food. Not comes after has. After helping verb, not comes. My mother has not cooked food. My mother is a singular subject, third person singular subject. So we use here has helping verb. My mother has not cooked food. Another example of negative sentence. The film has not started yet. The film is a subject, has is a helping verb, not is used for negative sense, started is a verb's third form, yet is adverb. The film has not started yet. Film is a singular subject, third person singular. So what helping verb we use here? We use here has. Interrogative sentences. How we make interrogative sentences? Yes and no type sentences which start from helping verb. Helping verb comes first, has or have plus subject plus verb's third form plus object. It lasts interrogative sign. In interrogative sentences, interrogative sign is must. For example, has she eaten food? Interrogative sign. As is a helping verb, she is a subject, eaten is a verb's third form, food is a object. She is a third person singular subject. So we use here has helping verb. Another example is have you ever visited Disneyland? Have is a helping verb, you is a subject, ever visited. Visited is the verb's third form, Disneyland is the object. At last what we use in interrogative sentences? Question mark. Have you ever visited Disneyland? You is a second person subject. So we use here have helping verb. Interrogative negative sentences. The pattern is yes and no type sentences. Helping verb comes first. Has or have plus subject plus not plus verb's third form plus object. Dash 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 interrogative sign. For example, have you not watched movie? Have is a helping verb. You is a subject. Not is used for negative sense and watched is a verb's third form. Movie is the object. At last, what we use in interrogative sentences? We use interrogative sign. And another example is who has not brought his book? Interrogative negative sentences which start from WH word. So what we do? We write WH word first, after that helping verb, after that not, and after that verb's third form and object. Who has not brought his book? When we make WH word type interrogative sentences, WH word comes first. And after that, helping verb, after that subject plus noun plus verb's third form plus object. It lasts interrogative sign.